YouTube. Thanks for tuning in. I did include a little bit of ASMR of me opening my package. Who doesn't love to hear that sound when you're getting some new weave? So yeah. But going ahead and opening the package up, the hair did feel nice and soft, really silky. The hair was a little bit it had like the little short pieces on it, but it was still pretty, and it did come with baby hairs, and probably lightly pre-plucked, and the lace was already tinted, which I really appreciated because I need a darker tint for my complexion. So that was nice. And this is just what the hair looks like. Pretty full from root to tip, and it's an 18-inch natural black in a straight texture. Oh yeah, and the hair did come with a pre-made part, or two pre-made parts, one in the center and then one on the side. Now I did go in and pluck this hair just a little bit. I'll be showing you later on. And I was so excited about getting my frontal. I didn't tell what came inside of it. Now the invoice did come in there. I don't have it with me, but these two came. These two little cards came in it as well. This is if you'd like to exchange. If you're not satisfied, you have this little card that you can send back. And these are the do's and don'ts for your hair. Just some tips to keep it lasting long. I think these were really cute. Like, their packaging is really adorable. Okay, now this is what it looks like before I bleach it. I did go ahead and cut off the excess, so it would actually match my head. This was my first time using a closure ever, so I did kind of mess up the cut on the side, but it still worked out. I did use 30 developer, and then I used the kaleidoscope and the brown, or the neutral. Now, I did not show me mixing it up, but I did just put the powder into that bowl and then poured enough developer to get this consistency. So not a whole lot of developer, clearly, because it is pretty thick. I wanted it to be similar to the consistency of peanut butter, and then I go ahead and apply to the closure. The frontal. But this is what it looks like after about 15 or 20 minutes with leaving it on. It's looking good. I think I'm gonna let it sit on there about 5 more minutes. And I'm gonna come back to you, so it's been about 20. And this is what the hair looks like with the bleach on there for about 30 minutes. It's looking pretty good to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out and come back with the results. Okay, and this is what the hair looks like now that I've washed out the bleach. This was my first time bleaching knots on this frontal. I'm thinking I have bleached knots on a closure one time before, but it had been like 2 years before that, so it had been a while. So this is what it looks like. I am going to go in and pluck some more, so it'll be just a little bit more thinned out in the front. But I hope you all enjoy. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and enjoy your day.